So I've in that relationship, things were no longer the same. I no longer had time for her. She would complain all the time. Keep in mind, before then, I used to be the one nagging her, showing her love, checking up on her, and all that. When I had money, everything changed. I didn't care anymore. I honestly didn't care anymore. And when she would want to have sex, I would say no. When I had money, I would say no, I don't want to have sex. But when I was poor, I wanted to have sex every day. You see, poverty and sex, same WhatsApp group. Because, I mean, when you're poor, just tell me, what is it that can make you feel good about yourself when you're poor? Besides family, is to get laid. You must have sex. That's the only thing which is going to make you feel better. So at that time, I had money to make me feel better. I didn't need sex. But when I was poor, I was running after her. Please, give me some. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Because that was the only thing that I was good at. So I would say my sexual performance when I was poor and when I had money, it has dropped with more than 80%. How I used to have sex back in the days, it's no longer the same as how I'm having sex now. It's no longer the same. Which makes sense for the first time in my life. Now I get to understand why people with money, most people with money, their women, they're always cheating with broke guys. It's because broke guys only know one thing. Only one thing. Broke guys only know one thing. They excel in one thing. That is their expertise. Money, dololo. Mara ye. Kor moto tla uja kar wa feta. Utla uja. Mshimano tloka chalta utla uja. Utla uja. Ausi utla jiwa. But Reina with a purpose in life. We make love one round, then I sleep. I tell you that, babe, let's make love. We make love. And I can decide to come after a minute. There's nothing we can do. Are you going to take me to court that I came in 1 minute? After all, I'm Mr. 1 minute strategy. I can decide to last for 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I can decide. I'm in control. It's about me before you. Then after making love, we sleep. And I tell you, I'm going to tell you, baby girl, I'm not a sex robot. I am not a sex robot. We are going to hit one round. Then in the morning, I've got an important shareholders meeting. If I remain up all night, I won't concentrate. One round, I sleep. In the morning, I go and make money. Broke nigga, 8 rounds. I used to be like that. So that's what happened in the relationship. She started running after me and I was not there anymore. Right? And I started seeing beautiful women. You see, when you have money, you start seeing beautiful things more. And I wonder, sometimes I sit down, if there are any of my exes watching, you may forgive me in advance. Sometimes I sit down and I think, I'm like, what did I see in this person? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Like, what did I see in this ex of mine? Because when I take my memory back there, I used to think that this person is the most beautiful person I've ever seen. But when I had money, I've noticed that, and like I was dating, no, this person is fucking ugly. But because of the conditions that I was living in at that time, I was unable to see such. So if you want to see beauty, have money, you will see everything. So I was starting to see beautiful women, better than her in everything. Personality, intelligence, looks, everything, better than her 100%. And I was asking myself that if I was not able to see all these things at that time when I was still in love with this person, at that time when I didn't have money, poverty is the main enemy in life. When you're poor, you can't see clearly. Have money, you will see. You will see what you deserve. That's why I'm telling you, ladies, your boyfriend, let the nigga get the money. You will see his true colors. You will see hey, Mara, it's fine. Now,